All right, Ryan Bratton joins us with your forecast because we know changes are coming, kind of starting today, right through the week.
Absolutely. The good news is the weekend itself is not going to be a washout. But tomorrow night into Saturday morning, it's going to pour in parts of the state.
Kind of like the other day. Just
yes. Absolutely, and it's kind of the same area. It's like southern Maine is going to really get it. Right now, though, it's actually pretty nice in southern Maine, and we had some sunshine this morning. That allowed about the southern third of the state to warm up pretty nicely. You can see the chilly air, though, in eastern and northern Maine. That's all going to be coming south over these coming days. Right now, there isn't too much out there other than a sprinkle or a light shower. We have one that's going through northern Androscoggin County, and so Lewiston, Auburn, you may catch a brief shower, but not much out there this evening. This system looks kind of innocuous. Not much there with it. But over the next 24 hours, this is going to dive south and develop into a pretty big area or pretty intense area of some rainfall. It's not all that big, and the rain will travel pretty close to the area of low pressure, which puts really just the western and southern half of the state into this rain tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So your morning hours tomorrow should be fine, but overnight tomorrow night into Saturday morning, it's going to be quite wet in New Hampshire and southern and western Maine. And with this low kind of swelling up, there will be some gusty northeast winds, especially on the south coast overnight tomorrow night, very early on Saturday. And as we talked about before, higher elevations, especially in New Hampshire, there will be some snow above about 2,500 feet. This evening and overnight tonight, though, is quiet. We're going to start tomorrow morning with a little sun in spots. Clouds overall, though, will be dominating through the day tomorrow. There is not much steady rain at all, though, until later in the day. This is 3 o'clock. We have rain developing in western Maine and approaching southern areas. And certainly by this time tomorrow evening, it's going to be quite wet in the western half of the state. North and east, though, of about Waterville, you don't get much at all. It's just a chilly night there tomorrow night, while windswept rain falls into the wee hours of Saturday morning over southern and southwestern Maine. And then we do taper this down late morning toward noontime. So your Saturday afternoon will be much drier, but we're still going to have a chilly northeast breeze. So temps on Saturday only going to be in the 50s. Kind of a wild rainfall map. Again, it's consolidated right near that low, but there will be places that pick up more than 2 inches over southern and western Maine, while very little, if anything, falls out of this system to the east and north. That pulls away, and then on Sunday, we have another low that comes down with a chance for some pop-up showers in the afternoon. But of the 2 days, even with a few showers, Sunday should be a little bit warmer, with temperatures getting back up into the 60s. Here's the marine forecast for tomorrow. Seas 2 feet, but a gale warning up for tomorrow night into Saturday morning as that system really cranks up offshore. All right, so there you go. There's the 7-day. Sunday, probably the better of the 2 weekend days, but you still have to be ready for an afternoon shower. And like today, there could be a quick rumble of thunder in some spots. And then early next week, cool and damp for Monday, Tuesday, with some showers around. I'm hoping we break out of that by Wednesday, Thursday, though.
Yeah, we're also hoping.
Yeah.
That would be nice to do.
Right.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.